All right. Welcome to the next step of our review, which will be actually taking the 2016 Honda CRV-EX for a little bit of a drive. All right, so let's put this puppy into drive. I think it's lined up with the D. Let me check my dash. Yes, my D is illuminated. All right, and let's pull up on out of here. First, you're going to notice that we are on a very, very bumpy road. The CRV handles it pretty well. I wouldn't take this off-roading or anything, but you can see I'm shaking, but I'm not overly shaking as I would in a sedan or anything like that. Feels very comfortable, very, very confident. All right. All right, so we're just coasting along. It's very comfortable, you know, any normal road, you're gonna feel good about it. You're not gonna have any complaints. If you do, then you're just gonna find something to complain about with everything. All right, so as I said before, when you put on your right signal, you can see that camera displays here. Obviously, there's no cars right next to us right now. It's definitely the most useful when you are changing lanes, but it's not bad now. We step on the gas a little bit, hear that engine go. Perfectly acceptable. We get up to highway speed, no problem. Right at 50, no issues. Thank you very much. We take those. Again, just very smooth. I would say this car's greatest strength is just that it's so average. It just does everything fine. It's not so slow. It's not so fast. It's not so big. It's not so tiny. It does everything you could ever want a car to do. It's got Honda reliability. It'll always get you from point A to point B. And that's about as much as you could ask in any car. It's not going to excite you. It's not going to impress anybody. But that's okay. Not every car has to do that. So the CRV gets 26 mpgs in the city, and highway driving like this, you're going to get 33 mpgs. That's quite solid. We really have no issue with that. Definitely strong for its class. CRV, it weighs comes right in, weighing around 3,500 pounds. I mean, if you're buying this car, you're not really worried about how much your car weighs. So that's just a random fact. I'm throwing it at you. You don't need it, but take it if you want it. It's free. Right. So when this car came out new in 2016, the base MSRP for the EX model was just under 27 grand. It's been a few years, and a lot of them are coming off their leases now. So you can definitely get into one under the $20,000 mark easily, probably around $17,000 or $18,000 depending on the mileage. And it's really just, if you need a car and you don't care about driving at all and you just need to go places, then this is one that I'd really highly recommend. Like on Kelley Blue Book, there's over 400 reviews, and 60% of those reviews have it as a 5-star vehicle. Like the customers of the car rated it as 5 stars, and that's coming from people who own it and drive it every day. And I don't, but even when I do, it feels comfortable, confident, and gives you little to complain about. It's not impressive, but the 2016 Honda CRV-EX is a compact SUV, and that's literally all it is. It doesn't do anything extra or special, but it does exactly what you would want it to do. All right. It was nice chatting with you, everybody. I had a great time. I hope you had a great time coming along for the ride, and I hope you learned something as well. Wish me luck editing this. It's going to be my first time. I'd like to say thank you to my wonderful girlfriend Alexia for filming everything. It was a tremendous help. And hopefully I'll catch you in about a week or so. Take care.